Good evening, investors and viewers. Riddhivaj Finance presenting GMP prediction for Tharsan Products Limited. Dear investors and viewers, if you don't like video or dislike video, please comment into the comment box. So in the future, if we comment on any video, we can think about the company. And yes, if you dislike it, at least we know the reason. Okay, so because see, in case of Paytm, we seen the first visitor is visiting on our YouTube channel and watching the GMP of Paytm, and literally that person has disliked it. I don't understand, because Paytm has really given a discount offer. If you see the listing today itself in the in case of Paytm, and it's literally down 70 rupees what we have predicted. It's 1955 they have touched, right? So in case of 1955 they have touched the Paytm, and yes, around 75, no, it's a 85 we can say. So 75 to 85 they have goes down, and then they have also goes down 500 below. Okay, and we have given around hardly little amount of 10 to 20% down, but it's literally goes down, and they given a discount offer for all investor to invest into the market. But if you don't like the GMP, it doesn't mean no, it can work like the way you think it will goes up and up. It depends on their management anyhow, but at least you should comment where we are wrong. Okay, anyways, we are going to talk about Tharsan Products Limited GMP prediction. Tharsan Products Limited, the symbol is Tharsans. Issue period will be 15 November to 17 November 2021. Means 15 November 2021 issue opening date, issue closing date will be 17 November 2021. Post modification you can do till 10 a.m. in between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. at 18 November, where the cutoff time will be up to 18 November up to 12 p.m. Issue size is 1500 million, and in that case issue type is 100% book build issue. Price band between 635 INR to 662 INR, and discount to employee reservation category is 61 rupees per equity share eligible employee category. So this is the first time it is showing that employee reservation category in this company, where the face value is 2 rupees, ticket size is 1 rupees, bid lot will be 22 equity shares minimum, and maximum will be 22 shares equity. You can apply maximum subscription amount for retail investor is 2 lakhs, where the maximum subscription amount for eligible employee will be 5 lakh, and IPO market timings will be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you see book of the running lead managers is ICICI Security Limited, Edelweiss, and then this Edelweiss Financial Services Limited and SBI Capitals are the leading managers. Okay, dear investors and viewers, if you see, our subscription prediction for Tharsan Product Limited has comes true. We have given a band between 55% to 95%, and we have achieved 55% because the subscription overall is 77.49. So minimum expectation we have achieved. The prediction for the subscription, this many subscribed it. So hopefully the GMP will achieve by Riddhivaj Finance. And yes, if you trust us, you can subscribe it. So Tharsan Product Limited is a qualified institutional buyers. They have given the choice to this IPO, and number of total mint for the category is accumulated one. This report is 115.77, including foreign institutional investors, domestic institutional investor including bank, finance, institutions and insurance companies. Yes, mutual funds is also available with this share, and the others non-institutional investors has given again the choice to this IPO is 184.58. So which is having the corporate and individual other than RIIS and others. So in case of retail, individual investor shows their interest 10.56, where the cutoff has given and the price bid and the employee just 1.83 to the number of times total mint for the category. Price and total is 77.49. So dear investors, our subscription prediction has literally meet our minimum 55%. So hopefully GMP also meet it. GMP prediction for Tharsan Products Limited. We are expecting this share should open on the day of listing, minimum at least 720, but please ensure that it can goes up to 700 also, because this company is based in West Bengal, and really this company is doing a business into the healthcare, pharmaceutical are their major clients. And in COVID, only one sector we can say really work hard. One is in FMCG and another one is in a pharma. Pharma really boom. They have shown literally amazing changes in COVID, during the COVID. Well, if it goes maximum INR, the share goes up, then it can goes up to 950 INR or 1050 INR, or it can cross 1150 INR too. And we are giving here at least a maximum INR 802. So we are not from the management of the Tharsan Products Limited, so we can't tell anything as of now. This is just an assumption, a GMP prediction. So you can exit or you can stay back, choice is yours. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance, and we will come back with the GMP video if it has been achieved by Tharsan. Dear investors and viewers, we would like to know the people dislike our video. Please comment at least so we can improve our quality of video as well as our statistic. In case of we are wrong, just write it. This is wrong, this is right. We can ensure that next time this kind of mistake couldn't happen. Because just disliking video, first we achieved the target of our stat has achieved the target itself. So under what basis you are doing like disliking video, I don't understand even. So kindly do needful. Thank you by Vridhivesh Finance. Yes, you disliking means you are viewing my video. I understand that, but please ensure that you should write the reason or write the comment so we can improve. Yeah, in case of Nykaa, it has happened that we have not waited anything, because due to Diwali we have uploaded very immediate all GMP videos, and that's the reason the report goes wrong. It is a half 40% we have given, but if you see cumulative, it is 80%. We will correction with another video. We will give one of the static video where our subscription prediction has come true for all those IPO. So wait and watch those kind of video. Just wait, we will upload by this upcoming week or any time very soonly. So wait and watch. Yes, dear investors, we are not predicting based on some sort of random thing. We are giving a prediction, and if it is coming true, our analytics is really meeting the target, then you can't means like you should see our statistic really work hard rather than everything. Anyways, choice is yours. Have a great day. Bye bye.